Okay, we're continuing with NIST cybersecurity framework, going through this one control at a time, trying to help clear up any confusion or areas that people are not certain about. So, as we've dealt with our clients, that certainly comes up because this is not an easy framework to understand every single control. So, right now we're on DECM-5, which is Detect Continuous Monitoring. Now, this portion of the continuous monitoring is focused on unauthorized mobile code. And the thing that we really wanted to point out here is that when you see the words mobile code, this is not referring to like a mobile phone. This is referring to code that has the ability to move, that it's mobile, right? It is able to move around. An example of that would be a script or an attachment that you could either send, could be sent via email, that it can move across your network, it can move across the internet. So the movement is really what that word mobile is focused on. One example of that would be attaching an executable to an email and sending that. Well, that would be mobile code. And for the purposes of the control, what we're really looking for is the detection of that mobile code. So a lot of times like in the example of emails, the email system would be looking for and detect that there's an executable attached, and it would stop that email from going to the final destination to who it was sent to. It would quarantine that email. And as we were talking about internally, we have some clients that have those restrictions turned way up, and if you have an attachment, it won't let it through. If you have a link to a website, it won't let it through. So it's detecting something that could be seen as mobile code. Again, something that is, obviously with a negative impact, and it's just saying, no, we're not going to let that through. So that's really the hopefully a little clarity around that, and maybe takes away the confusion of the word mobile. Remember, mobile here is talking about the ability for a script or code to be moved.